Hey everyone, welcome back. And the PS3 just got a new update today of 4.92. It's very interesting, and we're going to take a look at what that means for us modders. The PlayStation 3, the legendary console from 2006, just got a new update in March 2025. And we're talking about version 4.92, almost 19 years after its launch. But before you hit that update, stick with me. I've got some crucial info, especially if you're into jailbreaking your console. Let's dive into it. So what's in this surprise update? Sony says it improves system performance and renews the Blu-ray encryption key. Basically, it keeps your disk drive working for movies and games. Sounds innocent enough. You need at least 200 megabytes of free space to install it. And it dropped today on March 5th, 2025. But here's the thing. This isn't the first time Sony's pushed a random PS3 update out of the blue. Last year, we saw something similar in February 2024, and a lot of folks in the modding community started raising eyebrows. Why is Sony still tinkering with the console this old? Let's talk about it and what's really at stake. Now, if you're just like me and love the freedom of a jailbroken PS3, custom firmware, homebrew apps, maybe even some retro emulation, this is where it gets dicey. Historically, Sony's used these performance updates to patch exploits that keep jailbreaks alive. Back in the day, updates like 3.56 shut down some major hacking methods, and the pattern's held ever since. There's no official word yet from the modding scene on whether 4.92 kills current jailbreaks, but posts on X and forums are buzzing with warnings, don't update yet. Why risk it? If you're on a custom firmware like custom firmware 4.91 or lower, this could break your setup or lock you out of your mods. Let's be real, Sony's not dropping these updates to make your PS3 faster, they're protecting their ecosystem. So here's my take, hold off on updating for now. And if you don't care about Blu-ray discs or online features, most PS3 servers are dead anyways, and you're not really missing out on much. Stay offline, keep your console on airplane mode, and wait for the jailbreak community to dissect this thing. Groups like PSX Place or the folks at Reddit's PS3 Homebrew will probably figure out if 4.92 is safe or a jailbreak killer within a week or two. I'll drop some links in the description once we know more. For now, play it safe. Your custom firmware is worth it. So what do you guys think? Do you think Sony is just trying to keep the PS3 alive, or they're trying to stop us modders from having fun? Drop your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you already updated, let us know what happened. And hit that like button if this saved your jailbreak. And subscribe for more retro gaming tips, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.